Hi, my name is Frank Lamont, and let me show you how CropBox works. So let's get started. CropBox is an effect, so you'd get it from the effects dropdown. So in this case, I would select a layer, I go to the effects dropdown and select CropBox. Or in this case, I've already got it up in the effects and presets menu here, so I'm just going to drop it onto the first layer. It doesn't matter what layer I drop it on because what it's going to do, it's automatically down here. It's automatically going to create a layer at the very top of all the layers and put the gizmo and all the controls on that. So now I have this, crop gizmo that you'd expect. It's the same. It's kind of modeled after the one out of Photoshop. And so, give you an example. I have the ability to adjust it here if I want to, up in the controller here. But I also have, it's got the crop position. It also is snapping, so it's currently snapping to the edges of the composition, but it also has the ability to snap to the edges of the layer. So now you'll see as I snap it into place around all the different layers that it'll snap to all the different layers depending on which layer it bumps into first. And so now I have it snapping to these layers. I also have another way. I have this margin box too. Now this margin box is controlled here and I can make it as big or as small as I want it to be, but I can also turn on snapping for it. So now if I wanted a margin around all my whole entire area, I could do that too. Now you'll notice that there's a white controller arm on the white border of this triangle. I can't see it very well, so if I wanted to, I could actually change the appearance of the box so I could see it better depending on the situation that I was in, whether it was a light or dark environment for my background. In this case, I switched to that. I can come back and then I'm going to switch it back to white. And there we have it. We're ready to crop. If I'm happy with this and I want to crop, I have two options now. I have one to duplicate the composition and leave the original composition alone, or I can crop the original composition. In this case, I'm going to crop the original composition, and I either can hit this crop button here, or either I can come into the screen and just double click. So I just double clicked and that cropped my comp. Now, I'm going to undo because I want to show you a few more features. I also have right now, this was on the free mode, but I also have the ability to lock in the aspect ratio. And the locked in aspect ratio is this is a 16:9 window, but I also have all these other ones that I could pick. I can also change it myself depending on how my ratio that I want it to be. It doesn't really matter, but it's going to lock in that ratio as long as I'm in the locked aspect ratio dropdown. And then lastly, it'll lock the width and height. So now, no matter what I do, I can't select anything to resize this window because I've locked it. I can only position it. And lastly, I can do one more thing. I can lock the whole entire thing to where nothing moves, and I can just save this as a preset if I wanted to, or save the whole entire thing as a preset. Remember, it's still an effect, so all effects can be saved as presets. Another thing that you have going for you in this situation is that you also have it as a layer. So actually, I can duplicate the layer. It's kept everything that it had on that previous one that I just did. And now I can change this one and move this around, but I still have this other one that's where it was originally. And I can move that around independently of the other one. See how that works? And so you could actually set your own layers aside where you could actually copy and paste those layers into other ones for the same positioning that you want. So it's a great tool for just having control over cropping at any which way that you want to. By the way, if you have any suggestions and you see something that you want added and I can add it to it, by all means, let me know and I'll try to do my best to do that. But that's CropBox in a nutshell. Hope you enjoy.